Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that you know the history, let's dive into what goes into making the perfect, creamy New England clam chowder and how to get that authentic flavor. The supporting cast of ingredients grounds the chowder and gives it complexity. Potatoes, starchy potatoes, like russets, work best for chowder because they break down slightly during cooking. This released starch naturally thickens the liquid without the need for excessive flour. They must be cut into even, small cubes so they cook uniformly and soften completely. Bacon or salt pork, this isn't just for flavor, it's a foundational step. You must render the fat from salt pork or bacon first. This rendered fat is then used to sauté the onion and create the roux. The fat is the core flavor base that carries all the other components. If you skip this step, the chowder will taste flat. Onion, a finely diced yellow onion or shallot is necessary for aromatic depth. It must be cooked slowly in the rendered fat until it is translucent and slightly sweet, ensuring it doesn't overpower the delicate clams. Chowder showdown, why New England wins against the rest. The term chowder applies to many different regional soups, but only one reigns supreme in the coastal states: the creamy classic. However, it often finds itself in competition with another famous version. The Battle of the Bays, New England versus Manhattan chowder. The difference between New England clam chowder and Manhattan clam chowder is profound and creates a fierce culinary debate. New England chowder. Base, cream or milk. Texture, thick, hearty, and velvety. Color, white or off-white. Manhattan chowder. Base, tomato and vegetable broth. Texture, thin, soupy, more broth-like. Color, red. The Manhattan style developed later, largely driven by Italian immigrants in New York who utilized tomatoes in their cooking. The cream-based New England version dates back centuries. While Manhattan chowder is bright and tangy, the creamy version remains the benchmark for most chowder lovers. It offers a comforting, rich experience that the tomato base simply can't match, especially when cold weather hits. Properly serving your perfect pot of chowder. Once your chowder has simmered gently and thickened, it is ready for serving. Temperature is crucial. It must be served piping hot in pre-warmed bowls. The traditional garnish is simple, enhancing the experience without overwhelming the flavor. You must include crispy oyster crackers. These crunchy, slightly salty crackers are not optional, they provide the essential textural contrast to the smooth soup. They are typically served on the side, allowing diners to crush them and sprinkle them over the top. Optional additions include a dusting of black pepper. Adds a slight, sharp warmth. A drizzle of melted butter. Enhances the richness if you dare. A sprinkle of fresh parsley. Provides a pop of green color and freshness. The secret to a perfect serving is letting the quality of the chowder speak for itself, relying on traditional tools like the oyster cracker to complete the meal. New England clam chowder is more than just a dish. It is a piece of American culinary history, defined by its simplicity and luxurious creaminess. Its enduring popularity stems from the use of simple, hearty ingredients, clams, potatoes, and cream, that yield a deeply satisfying flavor. Learning how to properly prepare the roux and select the right ingredients ensures an authentic bowl every time. Whether you're on the coast or cozied up at home, there's nothing quite like a steaming mug of this classic. We encourage you to seek out or try making your own perfect bowl of New England clam chowder soon. You won't regret the comfort it brings. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.